So right now we're putting together a Microsoft Access program for a sales invoice. And honestly, I might even add an installments feature later on if we need it. We're basically designing everything step by step, and I'll be attaching the sample file with every video so you can follow along easily. Now we're going to explain the main screen of the program. It's going to have a menu, and every time we click a button, it will open more buttons underneath it. The program will have a lot of sections: data entries, outputs, invoice entry, supplier accounts, currencies, payment vouchers, receipt vouchers, and so on. Right now, we're designing two buttons, one for entering the program and the other for completely exiting it. We're going to use a macro code, the quit access action, for the exit button. As for the enter button, it will take us to the second screen, which is the actual main program. That's where all the settings and the user functions will be. One called enter and the other called exit. Right now, we'll make the exit button completely close access using a macro, totally external, out in the open. When you click enter, it will take you to the second screen, which is the one you, the user, will actually use. Now we're going to open or make a copy of this form to create a second form. We need to make this second form because the first one will be the main screen. So basically we're creating a new form since the first one is going to be the main screen. We're going to save Form 2 and click on Design View to open a completely blank screen. We'll save Form 2 and start creating the second form with the features we'll use. It will mainly consist of buttons, the main buttons. Right now we'll see that there are three main buttons. One button will be for data entry, one for outputs, and one for the opening balance. Sorry, this episode is short. It was supposed to be just this short. See you in the next episode.